Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Curved Line. Today we'll learn Python. Python is a popular computer programming language used to create software and websites, automate operations, and analyze data. Python is a general purpose language, which means it may be used to make many various types of applications, and it is designed for any various topics. Where can we use Python? For web development, Python is preferred server side or backend. Using Python, we can develop software. In the recent years, Python is very much famous, getting famous for developing software. And in terms of mathematics, Python is also used. In system scripting, we can use Python, and the most widely used way of using Python is in data analysis. Why should we learn Python? Python uses simple English language syntax, other than different to other programming language. It uses very few line of code to run a program. In Java or C or in other programming languages, the languages takes many line of code to run a program, but it is different in case of Python. It usually takes very few line of code to run a program, and math calculations can be done much more easily in Python. That is why in terms of calculating maths or doing math operations, Python is widely used. And another pro side of Python is it is dependent on indentations, where other languages uses brackets. Indentations mean basically spaces, and Python does not depends on the brackets. So it is all for this video, and this is the first video I am uploading for this playlist, and keep eye on the playlist. Assalamu alaikum.